Hello everybody, this is Nora. 欢迎大家收听早安英文。
Hello everyone. Welcome to Morning English. This is Colin.
Colin, have you listened to Lady Gaga's new album?
Nope. I'm still in the age of poker face.
Wow. By the way, you got a really sexy voice today. 不过你刚刚唱这首歌也太老了吧，他的最新的专辑早就换风格了。但是呢，又有人说他抄袭。
Another one? She seems never to shake off that copycat tag.
还真是，他的每一个专辑都是 a great hit, 就是大卖。但是总是有人说 she's a copycat. 那我们说一个人是 copycat 的时候，不是复制猫，而是指的他其实是一个抄袭者。其实今天呢，我们就要聊一些跟原创还有山寨相关的一些英语表达。So, do you think Lady Gaga is a genius or just a copycat?
I don't think so. Well, to be fair, she's definitely a great vocalist. I mean, her vocal range is really wide.
Yeah, vocal range 就是音域。你知道她唱歌的时候，就是高音和低音都能够轻松的驾驭。不过她自从出道以来的确是一直被跟这个Madonna 一直在 compare, 对吧？那 do you find their styles or some similar in some ways?
Well, there's certainly some similarity between them. From, the way their dressing styles are and how they perform on stage.
Right.
But I would say Gaga was just simply riding on Madonna's coattail.
I agree on this. Riding on one's coattails 就是说这个去在后面去跟随某个人。大家想象一下，这个 coattails 就是燕尾服的尾巴，一个重要的人走在前面，通常穿着这个燕尾服，所以后面就会跟着一群人，其实就是我们说的这种跟风嘛。
Yeah, I don't think riding on one's coattails is really a negative thing in this case. Because, Gaga, she was just a nobody before.
Yeah, she was a nobody. 那 she needs to think about how to attract people's attention.
I think it looks more like she's paying homage.
Homage. 这个 homage means to show respect, 表达致敬。所以我们在听歌的时候经常会发现很多歌它加了一些新歌加了老歌的一些经典元素，里面呢其实也有原创 but we won't say it's a theft, it's just a homage.
Yeah, well, 100% originality is really very demanding. One day you may sing a melody, la la la. You think that, that's good, it's by me, of course, it's original.
Yeah, it's just a melody probably you have heard before from another song.
Right, that's the thing.
所以说我们经常说原创 originality 这个词，但其实你真的觉得这是原创吗？可能有时候你跟别人撞上了，你都意识不到。音乐人呢也很担心这一点。
Yeah, and if you're borrowing from someone else's ideas, using their work without their agreement, that's a copyright infringement.
没错 ，copyright 复制的权利其实就是版权 ，infringement 指的是侵犯，所有和权利相关的侵犯都可以用这个词。那合起来这个词组的意思就是盗版、侵权。
Yeah, for doing podcasts, we also have to be aware of this issue.
Right.
Like we can't just play Gaga's new song here.
No, we can't.
Yeah, otherwise, that's a copyright infringement.
所以今天我们开头的时候没有放 Gaga 的歌，其实是因为我们买不起版权，对吗？
Yeah, right. So you should be authorized by the creator, and then you can use their music or their, any of their work.
Yeah, authorized 就是授权。Giving someone the official permission to do something. And some people think it is time-consuming to get the authorization, so, they just skip it.
Yeah, sometimes it costs money, too. So, that's why there's so many, pirated songs or books and movies, which, it harms the creator's rights.
对 pirate 本来是指的海盗，我们知道这个加勒比海盗那海盗就是喜欢抢嘛，所以后面的用法呢就是它的引申含义，盗版的，不付费的。之前国外其实有个盗版的网站非常有名，里面就有这个词，不过现在已经被关掉了。就像这个 Colin 刚刚说的，虽然这种 private products 非常的方便也省钱，但其实对创造人来说是一个非常大的伤害。It really discourages creation of a really good work.
Yeah, absolutely. Also, we can call this kind of behavior plagiarism.
Plagiarism 这个词听起来就非常正式了，其实就是 copy 抄袭的高级版。写论文的时候呢，大家一定要注意加文献。Always remember to add references whenever you're using someone's ideas.
Yeah. You would fail for sure if you plagiarize somebody else's academic work.
Right. So everyone, do not plagiarize in your paper. 那 Colin， 我们刚刚说到了抄袭的人，抄袭这个行为。那要是说一个作品是抄袭的那种山寨货，我们要怎么说呢
？That's a knockoff. Or you can say fake product. They are copying some designer products and just making them cheaper.
Knock off, knock knock 的那个敲击。
Yeah.
那 off 其实就是 on 的反义词，停止的意思。中间记住要加一个连词符，把它变成一个词，变成 knock off， 就是冒牌货，或者你就直接说 a fake product， 就是假货也可以。那我们很多时候这种山寨之所以叫山寨，是因为它其实是在抄袭名牌这种 designer product。Speaking
of which,do you know Sexy Tea?
Sexy Tea 是的，茶颜悦色嘛 My favorite tea shop.
So there are so many knockoff tea shops of it now.
Yeah, but those knockoffs, they never taste close to the original one.
I can't agree more. And another more formal way to say fake products is counterfeit.
Counterfeit 也是伪造的意思。这个词呢，甚至都可以用到写作中。它可以做形容词 counterfeit watches,Counterfeit products, counterfeit money 也可以做动词 They counterfeit their degree 他们伪造了自己的学历
And it can also be used as a noun
Right
This is a counterfeit, it's not the original
是的，这是一个非常实用的词那我还有一个问题我们在艺术上其实会有很多这种收藏品不算是山寨不过只是一个复制品是个模型那一种我们用英文怎么表达呢
You mean the replicas in a museum Like a replica of the Eiffel Tower.
Right. Replica 就是 a copy of the original one 就是一个原版的复制品那么其实我们在国外的博物馆看展的时候如果你看到标这个词 replica 可不要太过激动马上就拍照其实你看到的不过是一个复制品
Well, yeah. And for collectors, it's always tricky work to identify and assess if an object is a replica or an original.
Right, because they look really alike. Assess 其实就是鉴定。对于收藏家们来说，其实 replica 是没有什么价值了，一定要通过多层鉴定才能够得到他们的这个是不是原作。那好的，今天我们其实就学到了各种各样的冒牌货啊、抄袭啊这种表达，还有原作的表达。最后提醒大家不要忘记支持正版哟
Yeah, support the original. Thank you so much for listening. This is Colin. Bye.
This is Nora. See you next time. Bye.
This podcast is from Morning English.
学口语就来早安英文。